Easy way to burn body fat or stomach fat. Yes, when you are fat, you don't like it, you want to burn it and you want to reduce it. This is what you need to do. Please help me to share this video. Let everybody see this video and learn from this video. These are the items you are seeing on the screen you are going to buy. These items have been helping me since 8 years ago. This is the remedy I have been taking over 8 years ago. Yes, you can never see me do anything to my body apart from this natural and simple remedy that I'm using to control my body. Please start taking it after watching this video. You will see that your big stomach, that your body everywhere is going to shrink down. Okay, this remedy is for men and women. Everybody can take it. Okay, there is no specific person that can take it. Man fit use and burn fat, woman fit use and burn fat. Now they take since 8 years ago. You see my body, as you can see my body now, so it take, you know, they change. Okay, it's very good and active. Please, this is clove. Go and get clove. Okay, you all know clove spices. You know clove. I have shown you people many times. Get clove. After you get clove, you are going to get ginger. This is ginger. When you get ginger, you are going to get this Lipton. Get the yellow one. You know there is two type of Lipton. There is yellow one and the green one. Please go for this yellow Lipton. After that, you are going to get garlic. You see garlic? Get these 4 items together. When you get these 4 items together, all you need to do, carry this clove, wrist it. Okay, when you wrist it, bring a clean pot, put water inside. As you know you are going to make it, if you know you want to make it for like 4 days, after 4 days you can remake it again. It's good like that. Put the clove inside, add water inside. This ginger you are seeing, please do not peel the back of the ginger. All you need to do, just wrist it. Okay, use water to wrist it very well. Look for mortar. If you have mortar now, anything you know you can use to match it to pieces. When you match it to pieces, you are going to put it inside. After you put it inside, then you are going to carry this Lipton, remove the paper from it. Don't tear it, oh, just remove those labels. Remove it from it and put it inside. This garlic you are seeing, you are still going to match it just the same way you match this ginger. You are going to put everything inside that pot. Put water inside and boil it for like 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, you are going to take it down. What you need to do early in the morning, you can wake up around 5 or around 6. It's very good. That is the best time to take this kind of remedy. Okay, and it will work for you perfectly. You can even drink it and still go to bed. That is how I normally do my own. I wake up something around 4, around 5, I drink it and I go back to bed to relax. Okay, because you are going to stay there for like 3 to 4 hours before you are going to eat your breakfast. So you are going to wake up early in the morning. Please take from that tea, warm it, allow it to be warm. You are going to take lime orange or lemon, any of them you have at all. Cut it into pieces, cut it into 2 and squeeze the lemon water or the lime water inside. Okay, while that cup of tea is still warm, you are going to drink it with your empty stomach that early in the morning. After drinking it, go back to bed or go and do anything you know you want to do. Make sure you leave your stomach empty for like 3 to 4 hours before you are going to eat anything food. This remedy that I'm telling you, if you use it for like 1 week to 2 weeks, people will they ask you what you do to your body. This remedy, it worked very fine. Even sometimes I stop taking it. I just give myself limit, you know. I just give myself limit. I stop taking it. Before you know, I will start taking it. They are natural. It don't have any harm or whatever. Take it. After taking it for like 1 week to 2 weeks, you will come back to come and thank me here. These are natural ingredients you can use to burn down, to reduce your size. If your stomach is too big, start taking it. If your body, you don't like the shape of your body, the size of your body, start taking it. It's going to work on your body perfectly. This is what I take and I'm recommending it for you. You can start taking it as well.